Wealthiest 1% pay an average effective tax rate of just 3.4%, while middle-class Americans pay over 14%. This isn't tax evasion, it's tax avoidance, and it's completely legal. Welcome to the Private Wealth Playbook, the hidden financial strategy that separates billionaires from everyone else. At its core is a three-step process. Buy, borrow, die. Step 1. Buy appreciating assets like stocks, real estate, or fine art, and never sell them. When you don't sell, you don't trigger a taxable event, meaning zero capital gains tax owed. Step 2. Borrow against those assets at low interest rates, typically 2 to 4% annually. This is called asset-backed lending, and the IRS does not consider borrowed money to be taxable income, so billionaires fund their lifestyles with cash that is never taxed while their assets continue to grow. Step 3. Die and pass those assets to your heirs. Here's where the magic happens, the step up in basis. When you inherit an asset, its cost basis resets to its current market value, completely erasing all capital gains taxes. Let's compare this to a regular employee. If you earn $100,000 in salary, you're taxed immediately at rates up to 37%. But if you're a CEO taking a $1 salary and borrowing against $100 million in stock, you pay zero income tax. The loan isn't income, and the stock appreciation isn't taxed until sold, which it never is. This is why someone like Jeff Bezos can report zero taxable income in certain years despite being worth billions. Now add strategic loss harvesting to the mix. Sell losing investments to generate paper losses, then use those to offset any actual gains on your tax return. Combine that with shell companies in tax havens, and the effective tax rate approaches zero. This isn't conspiracy theory, this is verified by the ProPublica IRS leak. Between 2014 and 2018, the 25 richest Americans paid just 3.4% of their wealth growth in taxes. Meanwhile, a median American household pays roughly 14% federal taxes alone. The system isn't broken, it was designed this way. Tax avoidance through legal strategies is fundamentally different from tax evasion, which is criminal. The wealthy aren't breaking the law, they're using it to their advantage. And unless you understand how money really works at the highest level, you'll remain on the outside. Financial literacy isn't just about budgeting or saving, it's about understanding the rules of the game. This is how generational wealth is built and protected across decades. The global economy operates on structures most people never see or understand. Knowledge is the only bridge between those who pay the most and those who pay the least.